Good everyone. Thank you kindly for joining me. Today we have this SM11. It's a 7.5 kilowatt screw air compressor built in early 2000. This is 10 bars compressor. Let's check the condition of the compressor. It's regularly maintained. It's the surfaces inside are clean and with no oil leaks. The general service is done by KAESER on the 16,000 hours this year. Let's check the electric compartment. Everything seems neat and great. We have prepared a short test for this machine today. It's currently 5 bars. I think it's system. Let's check the air receiver. It's a 4 bars. This compressor is connected to 300 liters KAESER air receiver. I will start the compressor and see how it builds pressure. That's 8 bars, 8.5, 8 bars air receiver. Let's check from this side. Everything looks okay. The compressor is cooling down now. I will release some pressure from air receiver. And it's on load again. This is really good. Really good machine with KAESER control unit. Very, really reliable compressor. It's 7.5 kilowatts, 1 cubic meter, 1.1 cubic meter per minute. It's working great, temperature is great. 70 degrees, which is working temperature for this compressor. This is a great piece of machinery. It's, I think, SM series is one of the best series for the KAESER. So if you need a reliable and well-serviced compressor, this is the item you're looking for. So good luck and good luck on your bits, and thank you.